Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing your device and tools. Enable developer options and USB debugging, then turn on NFC so hardware is active. Install Android Studio and create a new app project. This is where you implement host-based card emulation. Once done, add NFC permissions in Android Manifest and declare the HCE service with an AID list. Make sure to target API level that supports HCE. These steps get you from 0 to a working HCE skeleton ready for updo handling. Now implement the core. Subclass host updo service and override process command updo and on deactivated. You register one or more AIDs in res/xml and reference that resource in the manifest so Android routes select AID to your service. In process command updo detect select by AID, then respond with application data and status words. Once implemented, craft correct updo responses, including SW1, SW2 like 9000, and ensure timing is efficient, because NFC readers expect. Finish by building and installing the APK on the test device, then test with a reader phone or NFC terminal. Tap to trigger select. Watch Logcat for service activation and process command updo calls. If nothing happens, make sure the AID in XML exactly matches the select AID, NFC is enabled, and the device supports HCE. Also note many payment AIDs are blocked by vendor rules. Avoid trying restricted AIDs. If you see timeouts, simplify responses and reduce processing time to quickly return SW1, SW2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.